Guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Tbilisi. Behind me is Freedom Square. This is Tbilisi Street, and right behind me is the Galleria Mall, a very new looking mall in an area of some really old buildings. Just a block or two behind me is some really old kind of buildings. Some are falling down or whatever, so this is a good contrast between the old and the new here. So I'm going to go in and see what this Galleria Mall is like. This is 5 o'clock on a Thursday afternoon. I don't know this brand. Is this a Chinese brand? AIQAR? Anybody knows? Let me know in the comments. Watches, perfume, jewelry, usual kind of stuff. New Yorker. I saw this store at the train station in Vienna, Austria. New Yorker. There's an H&M in here also at the other end, and the metro station is either connected or right next to this mall. Okay, not hugely spread out, but I guess it's multiple floors. And the downstairs too, with a kind of IKEA or something. Swatch, Pandora. See what's downstairs. Oh, there's a supermarket down here. Supermarket looks kind of fancy. So I took a little detour into that supermarket to check out the prices. I think it's generally a little bit more expensive. It looks like kind of a high-end supermarket, so take that with a grain of salt. What these prices are, they may not be typical of regular supermarkets in less touristy areas. I have been shopping at some supermarkets a little bit, but they are kind of in the touristy area off Tbilisi Street, and they're not very big, so I don't know if those reflect the big supermarket prices, if there are any big supermarkets out here. I haven't really seen any yet, but those are probably more in the outskirts where they have more available land. So, big sneaker store, a Guess store. So this thing has at least two more floors, and I think there's a food court up top because I think I just saw a McDonald's logo. So. electronic. No, it's not. I haven't seen an electronic shop in here. Big H&M. So it seems it's mostly clothes. Is this an Apple store officially? iSpace? What does that mean? Calvin Klein. No friend of mine. Don't want nobody's name on my behind. Timberland. Wow, so a lot of American brands, it looks like. Italian. Video game store. What is this? Purses. Kids' toys. So a lot of kids stores on this floor. SPX. Sporting goods. A lot of sneaker stores. Burger King. How much is a Whopper meal these days? Let's see. Whopper, $13.75. That's a little more than $5. $17.18. It's like $7 for a Whopper, fries, and a drink. And here, Royal Cheeseburger, menu small. So this is like a quarter pounder with cheese. Is $16.10 or $19.60. $19.60 is like $7.50. This is about $6. So I wouldn't say it's super duper expensive like you see on the news saying it's $15 or something for a Big Mac meal or a quarter pounder with cheese meal. Kind of cheap compared to prices today, I guess. Wendy's. Single Wendy's combo. 17 to almost 18 to 21. So this is the deluxe. It's a bigger meal. That's $21.65. That's about $8 or something. $8.30 or something along those lines. That's kind of expensive. This video games. have an old school video game in here? I don't think so. Pistachio coffee. Raspberry looks good. Italian Osteria Grill. Looks like a nice place. So, got a little of everything in here. What is this? This looks messy. Man. So guys, that's a look at the Galleria Mall in Tbilisi, Georgia.